Alright, welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T-Max. So in this video, I will show you how you can claim $888 for free without any monetary investment. You can see here a list of people already collecting this every week. You can see the dates here. It's a giveaway. You see CORE giveaway. So they're giving away CORE tokens, which you can actually swap any of the exchanges that are already having CORE. For me, I'm using HUOBI Exchange. It's really very easy for you to use HUOBI Exchange to swap your crypto to USDT or to fiat. You can use their P2P trade. You can see here I have some CORE here, and I have 77 CORE, and you see you can just partake in this giveaway. If I want to swap this $167 now, I can swap it to fiat. It's that easy. So how do you partake in this giveaway? It's very simple. If you come over here to their giveaway section, so first of all you need to be invited into the network for you to partake in this. So I'm dropping a link. You see a link below that brings you here. You're going to do you would have to do KYC if you're new on the network, and if you're new on the network, you have to do KYC. They might just need to do a little bit of facial verification and just to verify you're a human. And once you finish those verifications, you should have access to this. You see here each recruit. So when I say you can earn this $888 for free without any financial investment, it just means that you would have to invest some time since you're not investing money. They're doing this giveaway because they don't promote their platforms online, they don't run ads. So the way they reward the community, the way they reward the community every week is by rewarding you with votes that allows you to vote on any of these letters here. You see here, please choose a lucky word to vote. So if you vote for, you can see how many people are voting for P, how many people are voting for O and W. Each person you invite gives you 100 votes, and I voted. You can see here last week recruits 3, and it gave me 300 votes, and you see I've voted P, and it's that easy for you. Once you vote and you're lucky, you can see the lucky list here. It's all these 5 people here have won $888. This happens every single week. Check here, every Sunday 5 people always win $888, and 30 people win $88. 888 people win $8. So whatever happens, you are likely going to win. Some people would vote on different letters depending on how many recruits they had. So how it works is, once you register, you verify, and you want to partake in this giveaway, you would need to invite your friends this week. Next week they give you votes for every friend you've invited, and you can cast your votes here. And once you win this, they allow you to withdraw this to any of the exchanges or any of your wallets. You can use the earnings you make here, swap it to fiat, or invest it into crypto, or do whatever you want to do with the money. It's your money because you've earned it, and that is it. That's very easy. So just know how this works. You need to invite people this week, and next week they're going to give you votes for each person, 100 votes for each person you invite, and you will cast your votes on any of these letters. Every day you see, like for instance, now if I wanted to cast my votes here, I can just say if I had 100 votes, I can just cast 100 votes here and confirm, but I don't have any votes left. You can see I've cast 300 votes here on P. So that's how it works. That's how it's going to work for you to have access to this $888 for free. The only investments you'll be making here is by inviting your friends to the network and getting votes to vote for the $888. So guys, hurry now. This giveaway will not last forever, so be part of this giveaway so you can actually enjoy this free money. This is free money. Just be part of this giveaway and enjoy this free money. So thank you for hanging out, and bye, and see you in the next video.